Travel for Mortals finished up at the Kawazu Seven Waterfalls in Izu. It's a really cool scene. If you're wanting to see waterfalls in Japan, this is definitely a place to come. They've got 7 of them. A nice hike along the way. Very scenic, very peaceful. They got a parking area. It's kind of hard to get to from public transport. You probably want to get a car. It's up in the mountains. It's a good scene. They got an onsen over here. A couple local shops to eat. Lots of fresh wasabi. Anyway, this is the Kawazu Seven Waterfalls. It's in Izu. Check it out. All right, here's the guide map at the parking area. This is Jorgen Waterfalls. It's in Izu Peninsula. They're harvesting wasabi roots here. The wasabi is supposed to be very pronounced flavor in this region. And the wasabi plant is very difficult to grow. It needs very clean and pure water. It's got to be cold, very humid. The gentlemen are up there harvesting it. If you haven't had fresh wasabi, it's definitely an interesting flavor. A lot of the wasabi that you have in the U.S. is it's a lot of horseradish in it, but it's a different taste when you get it fresh. And the waterfall here is just beautiful. These gentlemen are they're harvesting the wasabi. You could see that they capture the mountain water from the waterfall. They've got it all kind of engineered here to have the water flow go across this terrace. All right, Sharon's getting some fresh wasabi here, getting instructions on how to grate it. All right, hang on. This is the Wishing Rock game. The Wishing Rock game, you got to make a wish. 100 yen, you get 3 tries. And then you got to get it out into this basket out here. Hang on, hang on, hang on. Slow down. Jesus. All right, Sophia the Ginger is going to give it a shot. Nope. Nope. All right, Sharon's gonna try next. All right, Sharon's trying next. Go for it. Nope, that was it. Oh my God, this is worse than a carny game. They got another one here. He's sucking it in. Come on. At least it's a little closer. Do you get a wish? Okay. Nope. Nope. Oh my God. Look at you. To get all stamps. The stamps aren't the best quality, but it's an interesting side quest as you explore the 7 waterfalls. Make sure you bring a book or something to stamp your stamps on, and make sure to make an offering at each one. This is Daikoku. This is my favorite because he's got the hammer, and he's kind of like Thor, but the Japanese version of Thor, bringing good luck. So this is probably the most impressive waterfall. It's at the south end of the course. They have an outdoor onsen. But this one's a little unique. This onsen, you have to wear a bathing suit, I guess, because you're outside and it's co-ed. Okay, if you drive to this area and you come from Shimoda or from the south, you actually get to go down this spiral ramp. To me, this is one of the coolest things as a civil engineer. It's this corkscrew ramp to get your vehicle down because the grades are so steep.